Friends, come let us learn types of lines under the series Basic Geometrical Ideas. First type, straight line. A straight line is a line that can be drawn using a ruler. We are given some examples. See, line AB, line CD, line AF, line GH. These are examples of a straight line. Real life examples are edges or sides of a book, edges or sides of a table, sides of a ruler or scale, sides of a square, sides of a rectangle. Okay? And so on. A straight line is not bent. It is always straight. Second type, curved line. A curved line or a curved line is the line that is bent and not straight. See, it is smooth and continuous. We are given 4 curves. Curves A and B are open curved lines because their starting and ending points are different. See? But curves C and D are closed curved lines because the starting and ending points of curve C and curve D are same. Okay? We have learnt the definition for open curved lines and closed curved lines under curved line. See, real life examples are full moon, crescent, circle, semicircle, okay, and many more are there. Next, horizontal line. A horizontal line is parallel to the horizon, and so only it gets the name horizontal line. Okay, so simply we can say a line across from left to right or right to left is called a horizontal line. See, a horizontal line is one, which means a horizontal line is a line which runs from left to right or from right to left across the page from left to right or right to left. Okay, kids learn these lines, these horizontal lines, as sleeping lines. They are understanding horizontal lines very easily while they call it as sleeping lines. See, we are given some examples. The line where the wall and the floor of your hall or room or kitchen meet is horizontal line. Base of a cot. Imagine this is a cot. So the base of a cot, which is in blue color here, and the edges of a table are examples for horizontal line. Vertical line. Yeah, an upright line which goes up and down is called a vertical line. Kids learn vertical lines as standing lines. Okay? See, we are given some examples. Vertical lines are perpendicular to the horizon. They are now horizontal lines are parallel to the horizon. Vertical lines are perpendicular to the horizon. See, flagpole. The flagpole, which is red in color here, and the legs of a cot are examples. Okay. Oblique lines or slanting lines. The lines drawn in slanting position are called oblique or slanting lines. They are not horizontal, they are not vertical, which means they are not parallel or perpendicular to the horizon or to the surface, to the plane. Okay, they are in slanting position, so they are called oblique lines or slanting lines. They look like a slope. Real life example is slide. You know very well, no, you like to play in slide, right? In a play area, you always like to play on a slide, I know. So that is the example for slanting line. Intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines? The lines that meet exactly at one point are called intersecting lines. So two or more lines, if they meet at a single point, then those lines are called intersecting lines. See, in other words, if two lines have only one common point, see, the line A and the line B meet at the point C. Listen here, the lines are denoted by small letters A and B, and the point is denoted by capital letter C. Similarly, the lines D, E, F, which are in small cases, meet at the point G. G is given in capital letter, and the line segment, no, sorry, the lines I and H meet at the point J. J is in capital letter. See, C is the common point of A and B. G is the common point of D, E, F. J is the common point of I and H. So, these lines are intersecting lines. Parallel lines. See, parallel lines do not intersect with one another. The lines in a plane which do not meet are called parallel lines, which means the lines which do not meet are called parallel lines. One more condition is there, parallel lines keep a fixed distance between them. Okay, the distance between lines A and B is always same at each and every point. Okay, and the distance between C and D will also be same. Straight lines in a plane that do not intersect at any point are said to be parallel, and they are called as parallel lines. Last one, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Two lines are called perpendicular lines if they intersect at 90 degree. See, we are given examples. We have marked the point of intersection. See, line A and B intersect at the point C at angle 90 degree. So, A and B are perpendicular to one another, or A is perpendicular to B. Line A is perpendicular to line B. So, we can conclude that if the angle between two lines is 90 degree, then the lines are said to be perpendicular to each other.